Hello, good afternoon, welcome to Bonsai Garden with Mark Sanders. Just made a start on this one I bought the other day from the garden centre. I've trimmed off most of the dead wood and I've just wired up the main branch there, or the trunk. Got some shape into it to give me some idea of what I want to do with it. So where I have these two lower branches, I just want to see what it's going to look like, just to give it a little start, to give it some shape, and then maybe I'll get some kind of inspiration from that. I've got this branch here, which I really don't know what to do with. I might actually take that one away and work with this and get these branches to kind of wire these out. So I might take this one off because it's really not doing a lot there. It's either that or I can use it as a cascade style if I was to take it out of the pot, and then I could move it over, I suppose, and do it that way. And this would come down, or even that way actually, probably better, wouldn't it? There's a lot of foliage on there, you probably can't see very much, but it's a bit of a handful, but I'm going to have a go at it and see what I can do with it. I shan't video the whole thing, so this is going to take me ages because I've never done one of these things before. It's the conifer Stardust. Yeah, Stardust. So I'll have a mess about with it, and then I'll do another video when it's all finished and you see the finished article, see if you like it or not. And then obviously we're just going to have to let it grow and see what happens. The trunk's got a little bit of thickness in it. It's about as thick as my little finger. But I don't know what to do with this one. So I don't know, I'll think about it. I'll see. I think it probably looks better with just that. If I take that away and put a bit more shape into that one, bring that up. I can bring that down. Bring those up, trim the top a little bit, probably go with that, I expect. That's the way I'm thinking anyway, so we'll see. I think that's just too much there. But anyway, I'll crack on and see what I can do with it. I wasn't going to do another video, but I've got some spare time this evening and it's a beautiful hot evening. So I thought, well, I'll come down and just chill out, relax, and do some bonsai work. So once I've done that, I'll post up another video and you can see what it's turned out like. Alright, cheers for now, bye.